Hello, I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to draw a little cat called Dotty. Now she is in one of my children's book stories called Scat the Cat. Now this is Scat, but Scat is owned, well, he's been stolen by a nasty pirate called Captain Cuthbert. Now this is Captain Cuthbert. He's not very nice. There's Scat. He doesn't feed him, he's horrible. He keeps him out in the rain. Not very nice, but one day Scat sees an opportunity to escape, and this is what this book's about. And he meets Dotty, which is the character we are going to draw. So there she is. There's little Dotty there. She's quite cute, isn't she? So we're going to draw her. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with her ears. I might draw one on this side, and then I might go across to this side so I can draw this. So they're similar but not the same. Okay, right, and then I'm going to just draw a little bit of her head. But I want it to have some little fluffy bits on top, just to give it a bit of a difference. There we go. If I'm going too fast, pause your video, and then I'll rewind. Okay. There we go. Oh, I forgot. I don't know if I mentioned. I can't remember. I always draw in pencil. I don't draw with a pen straight away. I'm only doing this so you can see it, and it's better. What I do is a pencil and a rubber. 2B pencils are better because they're softer, so you can rub out better and it doesn't gouge into your page the same. So yeah. What happens when you're drawing with a pencil and you go over the top, you remember it, stays in your memory, so it gets easier and easier every time you try and draw it. So she's got little fluffy bits on this bit, you know, like little nice and soft looking. So I want to keep dumbing down. I'm going to stop there for 1 second, but what I need to do here is come all the way across. Okay, and I'm going to stop around there. Now a little tip, that for my hand is quite hard. So if I turn my page, I can draw like that, or I can draw like that. So it goes in the direction for you then. I'm going to stop there. Okay. So I need to do the other side of her face, and she's got fluffy bits on the other side as well. So I'm going to come down, round, similar to the other side, but not the same. Don't want it symmetrical this time. Sometimes things look good. So there we go. Now she's got a little collar on. This one's going to do a line going down, line going down. I'll make that a little bit bigger. Now again, this is another hardish one to do. I'm going to turn my page so it's comfier for me to draw. Like that. If your hand gets stuck, as you see mine did, a little bit got stuck there, put something underneath, then you can slide it. Just makes it easier. There we go. And it stops it smudging. So now we need to do these to create a bit of a shoulders, as body and shoulders. Just doing the same. There we go. I'm going to come down a bit. Okay. And then do the same on this side. Turn your hand in whatever way is comfortable. There we go. Now she needs a face. So I'm going to do her face. And I've got another tip here. And this is what you could do when you're drawing with your pencil. Circles are hard. So if I draw that circle, I'm going to find it really difficult to draw that circle exactly the same or as close as possible. One might end up bigger than the other. It might end up wobbly because they're not easy. You're having to really turn your hand. It's a bit of a struggling movement. Whoa. We don't draw in pen first. We'll do a pencil. Now we're going to sketch. Rather than draw like that, we're going to draw like this. Okay? That just gives you control. So you're moulding that then. And then I can do the same on this side. You see how I'm just keep dotting the pencil around. Just like that. Okay. And now I've got guidelines, and this is why I want you to draw in pencil first. The more you draw in pencil and draw up, the more your brain will restore that for you. So now I've got guidelines. There we go. So I'm going to draw around that. There we go. Hopefully meet that line. And then I can do the same on this side. When you're going over with your pen, you'll notice I do it wrong in every video. I'd actually do it right. Start with this side and move to that. If I start with that side, I'm going to smudge it. And I can't see that eye now to copy to make it a similar size. So start with that, and then you can see I do it wrong every time usually. So I'm going to do a nice cute little nose. There we go. And then she needs a smile. There we go. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. I'm going to do them different. Sometimes you'll see in my other videos I've got a little shine on my eyes, but this time I'm going to do little dots, little tiny eyes. So when you're doing tiny eyes, you can start in the middle like that, work your way out, and that gives you a bit more control. Makes it a little bit easier. That one's a bit bigger, is it? That one a bit bigger. What else? Eyelashes. What about some eyelashes? So I'm going to do whoop. And then I've done it wrong, haven't I? Did it wrong? Do one on that side. There we go. Now another thing I want to put on is a little love heart collar. So I draw a circle there, and then a loop, and then a nice love heart. And there we are. That's little Dotty. Cute. If you want to make your character smile a bit more, I don't think it'll work on this one. I don't think it'll look good, but you can do lines like that. Like that. Just give it a bit of an extra smile. So there's little Dotty. So she's in my books. If you want any of my books, you can get them. You'll be able to find them on the website. So scan that. Or they are on Amazon. So type in Captain Cuthbert and ScattheCat and they'll come up. So thank you for watching. Please send me your pictures. You'll find my email on my website, so you can send them over. I will post them on my gallery. So thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time.